In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and manage your shopping cart on the Temu app or website. This quick and easy guide will help ensure your shopping experience is smooth and hassle-free, so let's dive right in. First off, let's begin by opening up the Temu app or heading over to their website. You can do this on your mobile, device, or desktop, whichever you prefer for shopping. Once you're there, it's time to locate your shopping cart. Typically, on a mobile device, the cart icon is situated at the bottom menu, whereas on a desktop, you'll find it in the top right corner of your screen. Clicking on the cart icon will bring you to your cart summary page. This is a handy space where you can review all the items you've decided to purchase so far. Here, you'll see a list of all the products you've added to your cart. It's a great feature that provides detailed information about each item, such as quantity, size, color, and price. This allows you to double check and ensure everything is just as you want it. Sometimes we add items to our cart only to later decide against buying them. If you find yourself in this situation, don't worry. Removing unwanted items is effortless. Just tap the delete button or click on the trash icon. If you're not ready to purchase some items yet but still want to keep them in mind, simply move them to the save for later section. This is perfect for items you might consider buying on your next shopping trip. Next, if you need to make any last-minute changes, such as selecting a different quantity, you can use the plus and minus buttons to adjust the number of items in your cart. This function ensures you don't end up with more or less than you intended. As you near the end of your shopping experience, take a moment to review the order summary located at the bottom of the cart page. This section is crucial as it provides a breakdown of cost before you proceed to checkout. You'll find the subtotal here, which is the total price of the items in your cart before any discounts are applied. The subtotal gives you a clear picture of your expenses. Shipping fees might also be listed here, often noted as free if you meet a certain purchasing threshold. So if you see a shipping fee you'd rather not pay, consider adding an extra item or two to reach that minimum amount. Additionally, it's always a good idea to check if your promo codes or coupons have been applied correctly in the discounts and coupons section. Finally, you'll see the estimated total, which reflects the actual amount you'll pay at checkout. This estimate includes any discounts you've applied and any applicable shipping fees, giving you a comprehensive view of your final cost. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to managing your shopping cart on the Temu app or website. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it makes your online shopping experience more efficient and enjoyable. Thanks for joining me today.